check my. Let me check. Yeah, I think we are about to start. We are about to start. Let me check. I don't think so. I don't think I'm already started. Yep. Here you go. Here we go. Let's start this music. The vibe. So welcome to another episode of me building my first application. The price, my budget app, which is currently broken. That's what is happening with my app right now. And unfortunately, I was focusing in the wrong stuff. I was focused on creating a CLI tool to manage the database, and in my head that was the priority, right? Because it's what that would facilitate my usage of user data, managing the user data. But that makes no sense whatsoever because I have bigger problems, way bigger problems than manage the data in the API. API is fine for now. It's fine. We're not gonna work with the API anymore right now. What I have to do is to make the app solve one big bug in the app, which is the duplication of payments. That's what's happening, and I don't know how to reproduce that bug. But I noticed that in production, when I log out and log in again, builds the payments. The payments are being duplicated. The databases, the backend database is full of the same payments, basically. So you will lose your payments. You lose your the state of your payments because there's so much data being duplicated. Then when you change one data, sometimes you will see a data with a different value, like not data but a payment with a different value, a value that previously you already changed. I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying, but basically, the data, your payments are all messed up. Okay, and that's a huge problem, much bigger than have to manage my users that I currently don't have any. But this is the thing about resistance. Resistance is something that sometimes seems like you're being productive, you're moving towards your goal, but in reality, you're just procrastinating, trying to be busy with things that are not important. That's the thing that I notice. And when I'm speaking in this song, it's playing. It just bothers me a lot. I cannot think while music is playing when I'm saying. So let's start this session. Today's session is to solve yet another problem. Not the huge bug of payments duplication. The bug right now is just like this. Let me show you. Show me the code. So let me mirror my iPhone mirror, and let me mirror my Connect using and we are connected. So this is my iPhone, and I will run the app in my iPhone. Let's see what we're going to get here, and place over here so you can see it, and we'll see the app's being built. It's being built. This is how we phrase this. I don't know. And you can see the process finish exit is already finished. What happened? Let me see the logcat. I don't know. Yeah, we cannot see logcats for iOS. Request lock. Okay. Try again. Build successful, starting, running. The operation could be completed. Transaction request decline. Lock screen handled request transition. What's happening? Okay. By the way, this is my son. Not my son, my stepson. But it's just like was my son. I have been raising him since he is 1 years old. Since he was 8 year old. 8 year old. I think that's the way you say. This is also this live stream is also really good for practice English for me at least, because then I can watch myself, listen to my mistakes, listen to how I sound, all the mumbling, and trying to improve later. And this is also good for a warm up, because the only time that I get to use English again will be in my stand-ups at work, and that's not a good place to start speaking English, because you have to be really concise, really fast, really precise with the information you want to pass around across the point you're trying to across the point you're trying to across. That's not the way to say it, but you know what I mean. So that's this morning sessions are really good for practice English. But anyway, I'm digress again. So we have another problem here that I'm not understanding. Why my iPhone is not connecting. Let me try it one more time just to understand this. What's going on? Execution finished. Okay, start running. Now, look, did it start running right now? Look, you can see here, but it's not open. That was working before. I don't know why this is happening. So let me think what we can do here. Building again, rebuild the project, clean up the project. Run script. I think this is a problem with IDE, maybe. Yeah, let me try the things that we do always. Invalidate cache. This happens sometimes, you know. I have to stop drinking so much coffee because I'm not drinking enough water. And I have a goal here. I have to finish this bottle of water. And this morning I have to finish this. This is full. It's all full. You have to finish. Let's wait a little bit, because I want to show you what's going on with my application right now. The Android version. Oh, today's hot. I have to keep the windows closed because of the sound. And but it's so hot right now. Okay. So the app is still importing stuff and indexing things. What I'm gonna do right now? Okay. While we wait, let me also let me also run the app in the Android. So just to check whether this is working fine in Android. My app also, I forgot to mention that my app also I think I already mentioned this. Has support for desktop, but this desktop right now, the experience is it's pretty bad because that's I didn't like too much Compose for desktop. To be honest, it's not a good result. The native macOS is much better. When you see this, I already showed this, right? My face is right in the front of. Let me hide. Yeah, my face is on the front of the application, toolbar application. You cannot see it, but anyway, we are building stuff here, and the fans of my MacBook is running so fast. Just waiting. Everything looks good. Okay. Just waiting for building. You got everything up and running. I should do this. I should have been done this later. Let me see how to phrase this. This is the best one. This is what I'm trying to say. I should have done this sooner. I should have done this sooner. That's what I mean. But another thing is, should have had this ready. I should have had this ready. This is crazy. Have had this ready. No, it should be done this sooner. That's the best phrasing. Let me see. No. I should have done this sooner. I should have done this sooner. But anyway, I think we are good to go. Let me try iOS first again. Select my phone and run. You knew at this we can run iOS in the Android Studio. That's so neat. Android Studio is now flying. So yeah, it's asking for my password. Yes. Let's see if this is going to give me the results that I want, the error that I want to see. I think we are good. No output yet. Yeah, logcat. Now we have logcat going on. But what is this? Invalid parse February. What are you doing? Come on. I already fixed this. Come on, man. I already fixed this. What are you talking about? I think that was a old. This is old. This is not new. Let me just clean up this. No, yeah, operation could complete and able to launch ThePrice device because device was not or could not be unlocked. What are you talking about? I'm mirroring this device, my man. I'm mirroring this. Don't be stupid. I have to unlock. What are you talking about? I have to unlock this. So yeah. Oh man, this is so stupid. This is so stupid. If I unlock this right here, I cannot mirror in my device. What are you talking about? Look, mirror ended do iPhone use. So I have to lock this and start mirroring. Connect. Let's go. iPhone ended the do iPhone use. I'm not using the iPhone, man. What are you talking about? I hate this so much. Seriously. So now we are good. Okay. In this, by the way, this is the error that I'm trying to show you. We have this factory error right now. This is why we are not able to run iOS. It's basically because this class over here, this view model, has this overdue reminder worker. Again, we have a worker over here, which we don't have implementation in the iOS side. Okay, so iOS did not have a implementation for this thing. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm assuming, because the error message here is a mess. But anyway, let me try it one more time. I think let me try, because I want to run this without blocking. Let's see. Now it's working. Look, you saw it. You saw it. Now I'm mirroring, and I can build the app and see the error. Technology make no sense. But anyway, let me place the iPhone right here. I think I should remove the iPhone from, my range, because if I touch the iPhone, this mirroring thing will stop working. English is such a hard stuff to use. Hard language. So right now we have to fix this. How are we gonna fix this? First of all, let me remember how this overdue worker is being injected. Where this is being injected, okay? So let me see. So Android Multiplatform, we have a bunch of packages. They are source. What is the name? Source something. Source sets. That's what it is. This is what this is called. Source sets. So we have a source set for each platform your application supports. In my case, I have source sets for iOS, source sets for desktop and Android. Okay, so that's how we use Compose Multiplatform. And what we have in the source sets is the specific code for each platform when we need it. Sometimes we don't need it, so they can be empty. They have nothing here. But that's the part that I really enjoy about Kotlin Multiplatform, is that you can choose how much you wanted to share between the platforms, and how much you wanted to implement, have your own implementation, or how much you want to make the platform implementation specific for each platform. That's what I'm trying to say. It's hard to phrase this. But anyway, let me see how I inject this. Do payment work. So I have this interface over here. Most probably this is being injected. Let me search for this. Can I search for classes instead? So worker, this is this is not, this is, no. Yeah, Shift F is the best option in the project. So let's see, this is a singleton being injected in the where Android. Just only Android has this import. Only Android. Okay. What we have to do then is import this, and pretty simple. I have to import this entire thing. How we copy things, I think Yink is Yink. Y. We have used this Y. It's Y, the name of this. Let me see. It's Y. Y. the letter Y. And then, okay, this is I'll use coin for dependency injection. It's pretty simple, actually. It's way simpler than a huge. But I still prefer huge. I don't know why. Because I'm Google bitch. Just everything that Google does, I just want to use it. So yeah, but coin is pretty good. So okay, we have this injection here, platform module. Okay, that's the thing, because this is platform. This is specific for Android. Yes, this is a specific dependency injection for Android. So I have to create another overdue payment reminder worker for iOS. That's the hard part for today. So let's go to our data set for iOS, like here, iOS main. And in the same package structure, so where UI, DI, yeah, my structures are my data directory structure is not cleaner the way it's supposed to be, because DI package should not be here, should be in the root level. But anyway, I'll just no art coding today. So let's do this. I will add this here. So I'm here. So oh my god, I'm so good. But we cannot paste anything if I use O. I have to now paste is P. And what we're gonna do now? So I don't have this class for iOS. I have to remove this entire thing. iOS will have its own implementation of this interface. That's the trick part. How are we going to do this? I don't remember, Let me think. How I use how I usually do in this. For iOS workers, so I have the sync build worker over here. I didn't have anything. That's good. Let me think. Where is this worker, by the way? Let me take a look. So remote workers. This is a local worker, I think. Let me take a look at the Android side. Oh, platform notification. I think I have to implement another thing just like this for iOS. This is Android specific code. iOS I have to implement notification for iOS as well. So this is gonna be fun. But first, let's get the worker going, because in Android we need a worker in order to have notification system, just like this. I don't know if we'll be able to see it. I don't think so. But let me see. Yeah. I have notifications going on in Android. Let me first mirror my Android device. Make sure that I'm not showing anything that's not supposed to be there. And let me mirroring my Android. So look, these are the notifications of my app right over here. All the bills that are about to overdue or they are already due date. So this is time to pay at internet, time to pay my cell phone and my mom's internet. And yeah, also personal training. I'm just personal trainer of my wife. And 2 days to pay the lady that helps us to clean our house, clean lady. And yeah, this is our the that's the place where the notifications are generated. But we need a worker first, a class, a component that will scan, that run a code to check the bills that are about to overdue. So I have a logic here. So bills that are 2 days overdue are about to overdue in 2 days, and bills that are already overdue of this month. I cannot keep showing notifications for bills that you didn't pay in the previous month. Previous months. So just the current month payments notifications. It's not working quite well, these notifications, but yeah, I'm liking it. It's kind of good for now. Okay, so I have to implement this entire stuff for iOS as well. Okay, but let's keep on going. So first of all, I have to understand how iOS does notification system. And I think I have in my Notion. I use Notion. Okay, I know Notion's not the best note taking app, but yeah, whatever. Let me take a look here, because I think I already have something in place for notifications, because I already searched for this. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't have anything for notifications for iOS. I have to learn this right now. I will learn this right now. Okay. So we have a reminder, iOS, presentations, data, remote worker. So we have local, so it's inside local, and we have a worker there, workers, remote workers, and we have local worker. I'm creating a new package here. I'm in the iOS side. There will be workers. A nice worker. And what we're gonna do here to fix this is, I'm not gonna implement anything right now. Yeah, that's what I will just place a placeholder. Let me see how it is, the class, because I think this is not the goal for today. That's what I'm thinking right now. Just right now, I'm thinking that I should not implement notification in iOS right now, because we have to we have to find out what caused the duplication of payments. That's my goal. I just keep forgetting about my main focus. So for now, we're just gonna to implement the placeholder for iOS. And where I'm going to implement, let me take a look how is the class. It's okay, it's just a class, pretty simple class over here. The naming conventions has been so long since I work on this application, and I don't even remember how to do stuff anymore. Let's go. I overdue. No, this is an interface. Yeah, I have to keep the same name. It should be overdue, actually. Payment. I will do is overdue, because this is implementation. This is not the interface. Overdue. Oh, this is implementation. I think I'm using I for implementation. Yes. Overdue payments reminder worker. Naming stuff is pretty hard. iOS. This is the name. Okay. This will gonna be. It's gonna be a class. It's gonna be a class. Overdue payments worker. Let me take a look what we do in the overdue. We just what we do here. Yeah, just need to. I overdue. No. What are you doing? What is this? I'm sorry. Let me take a look. What is this? I overdue payment. This is an interface, but where is this interface? This should be in the common main. Yeah, this is in the common main. Let me rename this file real quick. That's stupid. Factor. Good. Let's do overdue. And then now we're gonna use I overdue. I overdue. I'm using I for interfaces. I forget about this. Overdue payments worker. And we're going to implement and let this just like this. We don't need to do anything else. So with this placeholder, now we can just use. Oh my god, what I did here? What? Oh my god. What I did here? Okay, everything's good. Everything's good. No worries. Don't worry. What I? Okay, everything's good. Everything's good. Now I can use this overdue in iOS because I already have the implementation over the worker. Yes. Done. Now we should not have the problem of dependency injection. Let's see if now we're gonna be able to see iOS up and running. And no more coffee. Let's see. Fail native library, a bunch of errors during the iOS compilation, iOS building. But I think this is normal. These are just warnings. I just ignore those and keep going. The linking is happening. Link debug framework. A bunch of warnings for var. What is this? Was name it. Just ignore. Just ignore the warnings. Always allow, man. Please, always allow. Don't ask me again. Okay. So iOS is up and running. iOS is open running. I don't know why we are not seeing anything here. Error verifying token. Passing token has been invalid claims. Token is expired. Oh, look, I have JWT is JWT validation in my API. So yeah, man, I'm for real. So let's log out. Let's see if I can log out. Error making HTTP request. I think this is not my endpoint anymore. Okay, we have a problem. Let me see. Which endpoint I have right now. My API. It's not API. IP address. Come on, man. Should I show this? I don't know. Okay, where? Let me remember. Which place I changed this in iOS? I don't know. I don't remember. Let me see. X code. You know, my biggest fear is being in a presentation and have to show my app at work or open the Xcode at work and mistakenly by mistake type X videos. That's one of my biggest fears. Oh, let's keep on going. Where should I think it's info or something? I don't remember. I really don't remember. I know that that's a place in iOS we should add this information's config file. Nope. I think it's right over here, man. Let me search real quick. Where how to run local host on iOS. Okay, so that's what I'm running. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's go. You're ready. Place this. Let's see if AI will give me start localhost. Okay, and then the Mac operating system. Ensure on your iPhone Safari. No, what are you doing? I don't think it is. That's it. Let me see. I think I went over here already. Search network. Enabling internet sharing. Access your MacBook's local host on your iPhone. My address MacBook for my phone. Connect to iPhone again. Enable hot. No, it's not what I want. It's not what I want. That's not it. It's not it. Theme network. This is, I think, how to run. From. I remember that I have to. Yeah, it's not this. It's not this. But I know. There is something we have to do here. I'm pretty sure. Configuration. Let me. Or something. Resources. General. Okay. Build phases, build rules. Third. That's cool. That's cool. Alright, so yeah. Run instead of I swear, this is not the way to do it. Under privacy, physical device. Seriously? Let me change my. Let me see if my. Let me put this over here. Check whether. Okay. That's crazy. Which is my, yeah, this is the same. Yeah, the same one. I know. But why iOS is not working? You know, the problem, I know in my head, iOS has a configuration that allows us to do this. That's what I thought. That's what I was thinking. Because I do remember something like that. Just setting something here. But maybe it's just in my head. Maybe. I'm not crazy. I don't think we had to do all the API, not API, but IP stuff in our cell phones. Something related to networking. I know this, man. Come on. It's kind of file, that is in their project. Networking, Networking. Serious. This transactional security allow, yes. Oh, but this is okay. Yes. Let me see if Claude can help me. Claude. Where is the configuration in this project for iOS that allows iOS builds run pointing to my localhost. I think I have a file with I have a kind of a file with my current uh, IP address. Oh my god. Spotify. Help me. I know I'm not crazy. I think I have this file. It's a place where you can change the IP address. Yeah, yes. Proceed, everything. You know what? One fun stuff about Claude, using Claude at work. Yesterday I was not vibing, but I was working pretty hard, like using my brain instead of AI to solve a bug in the app that was introduced because of me, my fault, using AI wrongly. Look, oh, but this is not what I want. Currently, your current IP is to, yeah, and the port's 8080. Your IP to update your IP. No, man, that's not it. Yeah, 130. Already using the correct IP, man. What are you talking about? Let me take a look. Let me see. iOS. Oh my god. Let me see. Localhost. Let me see. I think I have to change something in iOS. Okay. Run your app on your local device. Okay. Connect to iPhone. Xcode selects physical device. Run. First, ensure Apple development account. Okay. This is okay. This is fine. Setting open system on your Mac. Go to network. Select connect to Wi-Fi. Update. Must connect to the same Wi-Fi. Okay. Your local server must listening to specific port. Okay. Mode. Yes. Just check. Open system. Select. Oh man, let me take a look at this. Make no sense. Let's see. Is this guy talking?
Input time. So I'm not going to rehash what we covered in that tutorial here. I'll link to that if you want to check that one out. But in the end, what we could
Oh, come on.
the purpose of this tutorial to use this server running on localhost
What are you doing?
from the application when it is running. And whilst we wait for that to run, I'm just going to jump back to the server code now. So we're going to watch what happens here. Random use that IP address to access the capacitor command.
Oh my god, Xcode server development. No man, what a serious, I'm stuck on this? I don't believe this. I don't believe it. Understand local networking and simulators. Because what my iOS is saying. Let me see. SS token. Verify token. Yeah, but I reached the API. I reached the API because this is a response from the API. This is a response from the API for sure. Come on. Look. I think I'm just where is my iPhone? So let me see. Logout. while requesting. So we have error while requesting. Network connection was lost. So I cannot log out. Okay. I think that's the problem. I think I'm already connected. I have to install this. Remove app. Delete. And let's restart the app. Reinstall the app. Well, yeah, make no sense what you guys are saying. Already connected. Same networking. Same Wi-Fi. It's all right. Oh my God, I have to trust in this again. Yeah. Trust this guy. So weird using this, like the experience using this murals. Oh my God, this is settings. Look, I cannot scroll. I cannot swipe down. I have to use the mouse. I don't know the name of this mouse. What? I don't know how to say this name. Mouse stuff to scroll. Mouse wheel. I think is I have to go to general. Mouse wheel. I have to go to VPN device. This is pure muscle memory, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Just pure muscle memory. I have to do this so many times that I just remember. Let's keep on going. Now we should be able to see the application up and running on iOS. Yes, I think we are good here. Let's go. Let's see if we can log in. I want to continue. Oh, I'm logged in. So this is my user. Continue. I don't know what it is. So many steps right now. I usually didn't have so many steps. Oh yeah, by the way, this is native. Oh wow, this is native. Oh yeah, we have problems with the networking stuff. Still having problems. I'm not sure why. So we are receiving everything for the data. Connection failure. Something is happening. User login. Internet connection appears to be offline. No, man. How it's offline if I can make requests? And how is it's offline if I can send stuff to... Let me see. Yeah, this is my... Oh no, this is my request. Yeah, I'm offline in iOS. I have no idea why. I'm take a look. Yeah, I have to fix this. How to... Let's go again. so stupid. Local server. Same of. Well, let me see which Wi-Fi I am. This is Wi-Fi. Let me see the iOS Wi-Fi. Which Wi-Fi we are in? Okay, man. Okay, got it. Oh, let me see. This is. Okay, go back. About. I don't think it's here. We have Wi-Fi. Oh, we are not in the same Wi-Fi. This is not the same Wi-Fi. Let me see. I'm this one over here. Let's see. We are in the same Wi-Fi. Okay. Let me see. If this was the problem. I'm check if this was the problem. Let's try again. Yes, it's my email. This is a native authentication with Google. And same thing, man. Same problem. What's going on? Okay, using easiest network. Okay, find your computer IP address. Yes, I already find it. My computer IP address. It's not this command. Let me see. It's the same thing, right? Let's see. This will return. Should I be showing this? I don't know. Computer. Whoop. I don't know. On you go. Run. Man, I swear I was able to do this. It was not that so hard to do it either. It was really easy. Why give me all this trouble? How to test localhost. Oh, no more camera from me. Yes. How much time we are here? We are almost 1 hour. Localhost, app, web, real device. How to test localhost on mobile. Test localhost on iPhone. Yes, exactly what I want. What is this? You can expose your local development server to internet using get the hard local network sharing. What is network sharing? God. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so stupid. Open. That should work, man. Oh my god, that should work. I just accessing the same. Let's see. My API online. I'm not sure if my. Yeah, another thing is I'm not sure if my server is up and running. We also have this hypothesis. Oh, what is this? Get the fuck out of here. The PS is Docker PS. Yeah, it's up and running. Upping and running. Created status up. 3 days up. That's insane. Because Android we have a configuration here, but for iOS, I guess we don't have anything. While making HTTP requests. Okay. That's yeah, this is something happening in my localhost and I don't know why. Right config, I don't know what is this? Tutorial assumes you're using Mac. Tutorial will show you okay. Okay, man, well, let's go. Need check actual phone to see what the heck was. Okay, this is all the story. Next, locked. I looked to network sharing. I don't remember doing this, man. I don't remember doing network and sharing network. I don't remember doing any of this network sharing. But my favorite is what is in grok? Is known as the tunneling service. Yeah, that's stupid. This is not possible. How to let me go to YouTube, man. Come on. I'm not gonna install this. Xcode, iPhone, localhost. Not working. Because you have to say localhost. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to run it. This thumbnail is pretty good. Let's see if the video is good. Let's go, man. Oh my god. PHP. Serious, my man. Okay. Okay, shut the fuck up. Let me give a test. Let me IntelliJ. Let me give a test to prove that my iOS is working fine. Let me. So let me open this. Is this what I want? This is. I think this is a good one. Good project. So let's enter the site. And I do remember Cobweb run. This will run in my local host. So this application will run in my local host. So oh my god, what's going on? Class not found. Okay. Seems like keep needs to be resolved. What's going on? Yeah, it's not running anymore. This project. I don't know why. Did I change anything here? I don't think so. Let me go back. Close this. Open another project. Open another one. This was usually working fine. Web run. This is my website. So yeah, it seems like this one will run correctly. Let's just to make sure that yeah I can access my local host. So it's running in localhost. If I go to localhost, you will see my web page. And if I open Safari, where is Safari? Yeah, I cannot even, yeah, down here. If I go to localhost, which port? I'm pointing to localhost 881. Localhost 881. And because you could not connect to, oh, yes. So yeah, we have a problem. Hillstorm, we have a problem. That's official. So we cannot connect to my. Okay. So yeah, I was wrong. I have no access to my localhost from my iPhone, and I have to understand why. We are in the same network, yes. What else do I have to do? Let me. I'm stubborn. I don't believe in what. Let me see. This is accepted. Oh, the site, by the way, is over. No one uses this anymore. What you need to do is find your desktop machine and look the connection status. Once you have the IP, simply visit from the website. Okay. So maybe I'm doing this wrong, right? Which is my IP address? Oh my god. Let me see. This is my IP address. Okay. So we'll replace this here. instead of using localhost, I will use HTTP, and that's it. Simple as that. Look, accessing my localhost from the freaking internet. So why I'm not able to do this in here in my app? So yeah, my localhost is working fine. That's the proof. Look, my app's open running. My website's just served locally, and I can access from my iPhone. So yeah, that's the truth. So why I cannot do the same here? And I'm getting this. Oh my god, I don't believe this, man. Maybe it's another error. Maybe it's another. Look, error while making HTTP requests. Apparently, you have no connection. Okay, my god. I need music. I need some music, man. So yeah, we are done here. So can quit this. Everything's alright. Server stopping. Later I have to take a look why the other projects is crashing, because that project is important. I'll take a look later, but yeah. So my network is good, but for some reason iOS cannot connect it. So let's see the errors. Okay. No such trajectory. Good data, internet connection, localized description. For some reason, I need water. Cannot connect to my device. I'm getting this error. Fail. Domain. That was working before. That was never. I never saw this issue in my life. Yeah. They're saying that. Can I log in Android? Let me. I'm first of all. Oh my god! Not building. I need to build this again. No, we are good. Let me try run this on Android. See whether I can log in. Oh yeah, you should see this instead of. Let me log out. Oh, why make? Oh, we have the same problem in Android. Oh, that's better. That's better. Because if I did have this in every single place, or rather, if I had this specifically only in iOS, that would be a big problem. But this is happening in Android as well. So let me take a look at the logcat. Okay. Let me try again. Not profile, man. Not profile. Look. Where's my logs? Why I don't have any log here? What's going on? Activity. Okay. Why? I thought I had logs for an Android as well. I mean, expect my networking. Let me see if I place here. Yeah, look, I sent something to the API. So apparently we have problems with my API. Do we receive any response? Nobody, no. Look, I keep trying to send over and over again. That's not really good, right? For synchronization reasons. I should just wait a little more. Look, I keep doing requests over and over again until I succeed. Let me go and see what's going on with my API. Is my API up and running? Let's Docker, not Docker, is make run. Let me see if I'll be able to. So we are running. Containers are already attached. Postgres attaching to Postgres, and it seems like we are fucked because maybe it's not. Oh my god. Go to dashboard. What's happening? Containers. Is everything good here, right? Why? Oh my god. Now we have another issue. I should have checked this. I should have checked this first. This was the first thing I should check. Yeah, build finish. Stopped. I have no idea. Oh, I think I know what's going on. Make I don't know. I think it's build. I'm seeing I'll make build. It's because of the test that I was doing. The price is make run. Oh my goodness. Fail to build. Error. Proxy server. What I did. Failed. Vendor. Failed to build. Okay. I have oh my god. Okay. I'll go vendor, more vendor. What's going on, man? Is my Go app fucked up? Maybe build. So it's building fine, but I cannot run. No migration run, current version. We are up and running now. We are open. No connection. Look. So 2 devices connected. Okay, let's try. One more time. Let's go. I should be able to do this right now. I should check this. Look, we did it. We did it. Everything looks fine, but the app crashes. And I was not inspecting the app. Oh my god, what's going on? The Android, let me change to iOS. Yeah. Oh my god. Did I messed up something in my database? I'm not sure. Let me see. Look, now, but you saw that the app crashes. The app crashed. Now it's working. Now both apps are up and running and connect to the same place. Let me. Yeah, no connection. So this over here, this is happening, right? We have a problem here. Look, now I'm getting this connection errors requesting again. This is new. This is our new issues. The synchronization should, yeah, look, cannot send anything. It's just, I'm getting connections errors. Okay. Let me try again. Now we are good. Let me go this December, right? I'll do this. Look, synchronization happen. And then, by the way, this is iOS and Android. Android here, iOS here. Both app running. And yeah, look, synchronization happening. But okay, we are in a good spot right now. Now, finally, we're in a good spot. 1 hour later, we are in a nice place where we can see, we can check whether or not we're going to have the error. Before we do that, I will just get this ready, this database going. Oh my God. Please, God, help me. So we need what we need here. Jump to query console. Yes, the full console. This is what I do. Let me make sure that we have payments here. So we have 4 payments. Okay, 4 payments for a single user. All the same user. Okay. So let's keep on going. So what I'm going to do here right now is log out from one device. Okay. And log in again. This is my assumption. This is one of my theories. That what's causing the duplication of users is this log out and log in. No, it is not. It is not. Isn't. Look, they are fine. Everything is fine. So I think I should add more bills. So let me think. This internet. I don't know. I don't care about the price. Internet. And let me start this. Something like here, October 2025, internet, and we are good. Now internet's in March. We are in March, right? So we are February and December. Internet appear here. Everything's fine. Okay. Let's keep on going with this. Let me put another thing, another bill here. I don't know. 2000. 2000. Our rent. And rent, I have been paying rent since, I don't know, 2024. Let me create a bunch of bills. I think, yeah, two huge bills will be harder to debug, actually. So let me just select 2025, February, March, July. Okay. Put another build here. Car. I don't know. 8,000. Just fictitious. Fake. Let me see. Let me say this. Car appears here. If we change, yeah, look. Everything up and running, man. But this is local. Local is already working before. Was already working before. No problem there. Let me try log out from iOS and log in again. Did you see it? Every time I log in again, the app crashes. Am I looking at? Yeah, maybe I will be able to see the look at. Was this there? I don't think so. This is Android stuff. Build where I was seeing the. Yeah, still seeing the. Okay, let me build iOS first, so I can see the logs from iOS. Everything good. Let me try. Log out again. And log in. Why the app's closing? We have another bug in iOS. Look, every time. Let's see if we can get something from here. Yeah, I do. So an operation is implemented, not implemented. Okay. So this must be. I know what it is. It's the initialization of the due date. Yes, not implemented yet. This is my fault. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, this return nothing. It should not have this. Delete this. Done. We're good. No more app crashing in the initialization. So let's take a look. Let me log out one more time. Oh yeah, I have to build this first, of course. Okay, duplication. It's not happening. Here. That's the huge problem with this bug, is that I cannot reproduce. I have no idea. I asked Claude for some ideas on why my bills are being duplicated, but Claude gave me no answer. So yeah, we are good here. I think the app's up and running. Let me try this camera again. Log in. Yeah, everything's good. And the funniest, yeah, this is good. So let's go to February. And let me check how many bills we have now. Total. Yeah, how to make counts, return the counts. I think this is not the best. I don't know. Count. SQL. Select. Oh, this is expression. Okay, select count. Okay, let's change. Select count everything from payments. Okay, this is good. 19. Let's see if I can duplicate this. Log out. Yeah. That didn't happen here. February, January, yeah. Oh yeah, select. Let me take a look also in the select from device. Select count. How many devices I have from the users devices? How many users devices we have? Should have 2, but yeah, 9 user devices. A bunch of devices that every time I log in and log out to log in again, I create a new ID for the device in order to synchronize it, to make the app synchronized, to make the synchronization. So this is really bad because when I log out, I should delete the previous device. I think I do this actually. Let me check. Take a look at login. I think I do this already. Logouts actually. Logouts handler. This is how they call handlers. Logout. What do I do here? Parse. Delete user session. Do I have delete device? Nope. Yeah, I should have a delete device. But not right now. Okay, we have a problem. So I don't know why this is happening. This is really bad, right? This is really bad. The only way to test this will be, I think, in production. I have to test in production, so I have to point to my user in production. But the problem is, let me see if I have another user here. Log out. Signing with Google, yes. So I would choose another. So this will be, no, not you. So will be, let me see which account I have. Let's see which one I have here. Because I will have to create everything from scratch. And log in this account, nowordcodeapps.com. Yeah, this is the Gmail that I want to know. Nowordcode apps. So here we don't have anything. In the localhost, so no art code. Which, let me see it. Not log out, man. I wanted to see the profile. So look, the experience to scroll stuff and navigating using the Android Studio is so much better than iOS. iOS cannot. You have to scroll like this, using the mouse wheel profile. So NoArchCoder. This is the email that I use. I don't like this email. NoArchCoder apps. I want to noarchcode8@gmail.com. Right, I think yeah, that was not available. NoArchCode apps. So someone stole. It's not someone. It's just like I lost my Gmail, my noarchcode.com. I lost it. I had it, but I didn't pay it because I thought I didn't need it anymore. But then I just needed, and now I don't have anymore. If you go here, if you head over to no art code. It's always, man, this grifters, fucking grifters. No artcode.com, you will see that a grifter is selling this domain for over $5,000. It's just crazy how capitalistic motherfuckers are. I hope hope this guy have everything he deserved. But yeah, let me try this. No word code gmail@gmail.com. And then we'll ask for my sign in or your passkey. No. It's other signing options, my man. What is this? Security key. No, what the fuck? I just want no words code apps Gmail. I don't know what it is. Okay, continue. Yeah, let me see if I can use this. No words code apps Gmail. Oh, he asked for my passkey. Okay, we are good here. We are good. So this is the application we have right now. So what we're gonna do now is simpler. Let me see how to say this in English. I always struggle with this word. So this is a good moment to see how to say it. Simply. Oh, is simply. Yeah. It's not exactly this. What we're going to do is simply run. Okay, simply is the way to say it. That's good. Simply. So what we're gonna do right now is simply point to the production environment to check whether or not the problem is when we are connected to the remote server instead of localhost. So let's do this right now. I have to move this over here. The only thing I have to do here, just let me hide this. This is the API. Let me hide this real quick because I have some informations I rather not share. And then let me just change. Like, I have some information I rather not share, but the endpoint, the API, is not one of those. So let's first, okay. So now we are pointing to the price API. And now, yeah, my price API do not have, does not have some protections they should have. So I rather not share the endpoint, but I already shared. So whatever. So let's see. That's the good stuff of no one's watching your streams, is that you're safe to make mistakes. What I'm doing right here. Yeah, I have to run the app. I have to run my app one more time. I have to, yeah, man. So I'm pointing to the actual API that is hosted, the deployed version, and then let me stop this and run again. So my debug version is pointing to the right place. Yeah, we are back. We're back with a good camera. Not that that make any difference because the face is still the same. The ugly fat face. I'm gonna have a problem with this microphone. He is a shotgun, so the sound just is kind of louder from this direction. But if I speak here over here, you'll hear me a little not loud. What's the difference? Oh my god! Inverse of louder is quieter. I think that's the way to say it. Okay, this is super. Okay, what we are doing here? Let me log out and check if we are. Yeah, you'll see. That doesn't matter. So we are up and running. Let me log in again. And we'll log in with this. Yeah, we have already things here. We already have things here. Okay. This is okay. This is good. Because this is the application that I was testing before. Or was it? Yes. Was it? Okay, we're good. So let's now then let's build the iOS version. More water. The goal is to finish this bottle of water this morning. Okay. I'm tired already. Tired. I was saying something about Claude, right? I think I just forgot it. I was saying that I'm losing my. What I was meant to say is that I was losing my. Uh, come on, man. Yeah, this is not good. We should see all the bills because we are pointing to the API. Yeah, the same guy profile. Nord Code Apps. Yes. So this dude should be showing how we navigate back on. Oh my god. How we navigate back on iOS. It should have a button here, right? We don't have the swipe. We don't have the swipe left on iOS. I don't. So let me sign in again. Okay, this is something to keep on my eyes on. Something I have to work on later. Include a back button. Oh my god! Now I'm stuck in the. I don't believe this. Seriously, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, not anymore. So as you saw, I didn't get all the bills in the first place I logged in, and I don't know why. But let's take a look if this synchronization is working. It is. It's working fine. Still working fine, I guess. So let's see. We change things. Let me see. Oh, the problem could be here. Also, changing values. I don't know, with some random value here, and say that, hey man, I just want to change this payments, update on this one. Oh, here we already saw this change. So what we're gonna do right now is just log out again. You log in, see whether I will see the correct bills in the correct states. Yeah, everything looks fine, man. I'm not sure if that bug was truly a bug. Maybe I already fixed it without knowing, because I'm avoiding changing my database. So how am I going to check the database side right now? Let me see them keep playing around with those bills. Just doing something. Maybe we're going to be able change this. I don't know. Delete something. Update on this one. Which bill is this? December. I change the rent again to 20. Let me see if I will be able to see it. December. Yeah, everything's good. Okay. This is where should I go? Let me move to here. Docploy. By the way, I'm using Docploy to. I don't think I had to hide my Docploy stuff. I don't think so. I think I can show. It's nothing. I think. So this is my database. What I should here is going to environment, not environment. general terminal. So yeah, how to run queries in the database? That's the question. I do not remember, man. Let me see if I have some notes here. I'm already tired. Okay. Access Postgres command line interface. Let me see if this is gonna PS key Postgres. Warning. Has a connection version. Has a collation version mismatch. Was created using collation version, but the operating system provides 2041. Hint: rebuild all objects in the or whatever. I'm not gonna do this right now. Can I use? Okay. So exit. So we are inside right now. We are inside Postgres. So let me see if I can do some selection here. Select all payments. Select all from payments. Can I do this? Yeah, I think from payments. Relation payments does not exist. What? Relation? Where's my database? Yes, console. Oh, I think I don't have payments. Did I? Just insert cell. I'm not gonna look in. Never gonna look. Never gonna look. Select from payments. Yeah, I do have it. Yeah, should return something. Why is not returning here? Select all from payments. Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. How to run SQL queries. I think this is the way. Postgres. Yeah, I mean, select from Postgres user. I have to specify the database I want to run it. Username. Seriously? Seriously? I don't want to use. But
How to run a SQL command query on PostgreSQL with Ansible underscore obtained by the Postgres SQL query could have a PostgreSQL demo, but it's going to be Python. Let me run this code. So let me switch to root and verify it's running. So let me quit for the Postgres utility.
Oh, you did?
Please notice that the version is 10.
Okay. /L. I'm not even know what I'm doing here, but slash. Where is the slash? Not this is slash, and another one slash L. So we have templates, DB, ThePrice DB. So I think I have to specify the. Okay, what we do now? Then we saw this.
21, and we have a testDB database running. So let me quit for the Postgres utility, exit the Postgres user, exit the root user, and disconnect from the machine. Now I'm back on the Ansible controller node, and well, we are getting the same result. So 21 Ansible playbook. The execution is super smooth. It's going to take a query from PostgreSQL to...
That didn't help me. Let's take a look. I used to like this dude.
So in a recent video,
I used to like this dude, man. Not anymore. He became a crazy about AI. Yeah. What are you talking about?
also get their upvotes and try to get the tags that they have. I actually need to add a percentage there, I believe, and that's gonna kind of be like a wild card, right? So I want anything that you
Yeah, I'm not. I want to run comments and it's just like this. I have to Postgres. Let me try this. Let me see. Can I use the root? So, PS. Let me put this here, and I will run just the way it is. Enter. Okay. Oh. Let's keep. Is it this? Okay. Okay, we're good. Is key. Kill. K. Letter K of kill. So let me do this. PS. We already did the PS, right? I don't think we need. Okay. PS. PostgreSQL. We've specified the user. That's so boring. It's user, and that's why I was building my CI, because it's just. I don't know. I was able to do this. ThePrice DB, and let's do this username, not username. The root. I think it's root is my username. Root. ThePrice DB. C. Select. So select all. From, let me see, from users. Let's see, from users. Let's see. Select all from users. Yeah. Select from users. This is not right. I'm doing something wrong. That's a big problem. Postgres. Terminal.
CLS and let's create the screen. Now let's go ahead and create the database. So it's very simple. This is the name DemoDB PostgreSQL
Okay.
credential and CLS. So to change the database, we simply type and then the name of the database.
You're now connected to the database as a user. Okay, I have to connect to my database. So C, let's go. Dash. Let me connect to my database first. Dash C, ThePrice DB. Warning. Database has, okay. But now as user root, that's good. How he cleaned the screen? Let me see. First we have to connect to the database. That's good. Just first see how, because he does clean his screen.
Well, now we are going to create a database. Very simple. To clear the screen, you simply type backslash exclamation and CLS.
Oh, Jesus Christ. A bunch of stuff just to clean up the screen. But let me try again. Yeah, I love this tutorial. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you. That's exactly. Oh, exactly what I want. I want it. This is right. Comment.
Save the screen. Now let's go ahead and
Now let's go
create. To clear the screen, you simply type
backslash
exclamation and CLS.
clean CLS backslash exclamation backslash. I didn't know the name was backslash exclamation CLS. Oh my god, I don't have this. Oh, I'm using bash. Can I use this other thing over here? This is better. How bash? Clean screen. Let me see. Clean screen bash. Clear screen bash. How to clean screen? Screen. Control L. Clean the visible. Clear. Oh, let me try this. I think it was clear. But now my bash has already changed it, so let's keep over. What I'm gonna do here is select. Let's see if we can do this. Select all from users. From token. Oh man, ls. Yeah. Control. Yeah. Nothing. So clear. Oh, clear. Nice. So I'm stuck here. Let me see how he. Now we are connected to the database, but the problem is I don't know how to do selections.
And now we are in the CMD.
Okay. Create table. Yeah, your screening table.
So I'm going to put just one value.
Insert. Yeah, he does exactly what I was trying to do. So let me do. We have a problem with the the syntax. You should have select all from users. Bash command not found. Man, am I in the database right now? I don't think so. Oh my god, let me get the confirm. I'm gonna open this again. Root. Which command should I use to? Let me see. Okay. Postgres. Okay. I think it's can I use this? Is this? Yeah, I'm not in the database anymore. I don't know what I did. Container, the price Postgres. I was in the container, man. Serious. PS. How to? So I guess I have to do this again. Let's see. I have to enter the container again. PS. PSL. PSQL. PSQL. Postgres. How? Yeah, I cannot enter in the SQLV version. Debian. Okay, Postgres. PSQL. Yeah. ThePrice. DB. Okay. So now we can check. Okay, the price we have to enter. So if I use the is this? I don't remember. List. Yes, this is good. This is good. So I have the price DB. So I have to see something. Let's see how I did. Oh man, get out of here. So I think it's what right over here.
Let's go ahead and create the database. So it's very simple. You
It's
clear the screen, you simply type backslash exclamation and CLS.
So C is backslash C.
Just clear the screen and perform CRUD operation on the table.
CRUD.
PSQ. So PostgreSQL.
SQ.
And I'm going to use Microsoft Windows
PSQ.
platform.
That's how it say. Let me see. PSQ. So backslash C. Backslash C. Backslash C. The price. Oh. DB. Okay. Clear. Oh my god, how to clear? Yeah, I don't think we can do this here. It's backslash exclamation point ls. Okay. We don't have a way to clean up this thing, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. Actually matters, but I don't know how to do it. Easy way to access Docker container. Okay, so I'm inside my Docker container now. It's time to select all from users. Finally, we'll be able to do this. Users. Oh my god. What the heck's going on? Clear syntax error. What are you doing, man? Why are you doing this with me? Okay. Oh, finally. Yeah, they returned a bunch of users, so Johnny Ferraz. Which one is this one? Geoffrey Francis. Yeah, they had to use Google account for this. Password? They don't have passwords. Okay, well, we are in the. Very good. Where's my no article account? Yeah, my no article account is not here. There's a lot of. There's a lot. I should be logged in. I don't know why I'm not here. Let me see. Let me see. I think it's select. All from users where email equals to. I think this is the way we do it, right? To no, I don't know. Inocencio dot gmail.com. Okay, this didn't work. Is this a selection? Oh yeah, I think this is a. Can I copy this entire stuff? Place here and then. Okay, can I do this again? Select from syntax error at or near. Select. Maybe we have equal. Maybe it's not. It's just like this. Still where users where email. Let me see if I can run the same thing here. Same query. Let's go. Is equal. Okay. So here I don't have any error. Select from where email is 2 equal. I don't know. Yeah, this is wrong. Let me see. Email is equal to this. Let me see. Yeah, no. I'm right. There's no syntax error here. Wow. So let me see. Change. No art code apps. H at. I'm seeing email. Oh, it's working. So where is the problem with this query? Okay. Select from users. Where email. Yes. I still syntax error. Oh. From. Zero users with this email. Is this Oh, my name says no. So let me, okay. Select, no. Now it's working. Now I know that it's working. Oh. No art code dot. No art code apps. At Gmail. Yes, no art code apps is here. Nice. Oh, another thing that I want to do here is select. Okay. Let me do it again. Let me ID. So this is my ID. I think it is. So let me see if it would do the same. Select all from users where ID equals to, I think it's still a string. Oh my god. No, please. Oh my god. I don't know what's happening. Select where ID. Let me just change this to ID is equal to this. Oh, is this good? Yes. Select. Okay, we are good. So now select from. I don't think I can grab the payments. Payments don't have the. Let me see if payments have the. Select payments. Yeah. Payments has user ID. Oh, nice. Payments has user ID. Thank God. From users where ID equals to exactly the same value. And what I'm gonna do here is just, oh yeah, I will just place here. Oh, now I understand what's going on with this terminal. Oh, sorry. It's not what I want. It's not our users. I don't know how to use this terminal. This terminal sucks. Select. I don't know how to use that shit. Select from payments where user ID equals to exactly this, and this is all my payments. Okay. Let me do this again. User ID. Can you see it? I go from payments. Select from payments. Select from payments. Okay, I want to select all from. I want to count. I think it's count from payments where user ID equals to this. Every time. 34 bills. So that's what we got. We got 34 bills, payments, and now we we are trying to. Yeah, nothing's gonna change, right? 34 bills. So let's see if create another one. Let's create a new one. December, February. Let's create a new one. So this is gonna be car. Big car. And December, I don't know, November 2025. Car here as well. Electricity. Why? This is, yeah, okay, this is good. Oh, so we have 34, now we should have more. 38. Okay, if log out. If I log in again, I thought the problem was this. I log out and log in again was messing up my bills, but it's not the case. Look, everything's smoothly. Unfortunately, everything is smoothly. I think that happened once. Yeah, look, everything is working fine. Let me see, still 38, no more nor less. If I delete one bill, let's see if I delete one, let's delete this one, delete the, how much we have now, 32. Oh yeah, I didn't find the issue. That's what I'm saying. Maybe it's in my imagination, but it isn't, because my real payments are, I have a bunch of bills there that are duplicating constantly. Yeah, I think that's it. I have to clean up my data. There. I'm not sure how we're going to do this. So yeah, seems like we cannot reproduce there. Unfortunately, I cannot reproduce there. 2 hours in, we got everything set up, and what's gonna be the next steps? So here, as you can see, using this terminal sucks so badly. So I think rather SSH into my Docker and use from my local machine instead of using here. But I have to learn how to do it. How can I SSH into my Docker container, my database Docker container, right? That is deployed. Yes. No more Karen again. Okay. I think we are fine here. Next steps is I don't know what we're gonna do. I have no idea what I'm going to do. This sounds so good. Can you hear it? Fix you. I don't know what to do. I think we are good. We are in a good spot here. It seems like no bugs anymore. So the next step, I think, is doing some backup in my bills, I guess. My real bills. And clean this entire database, basically. And start over. Start over. Because I'm not sure if will happen. Yeah, we'll keep logging and log out a bunch of time until eventually I think depends on how much latency I got, but I'm not sure. Yeah. So everything's paid here, everything's fine. Let's change the status, September, March. And then I log in here. February. What? February everything was paid. February everything was paid. Or I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. I think we did it. I think we did it. I think we freaking did it. Everything was paid. I remember this. Let me try again. I do remember. Everything was paid, man. I do remember. Come on. Or I'm crazy. I have to take a look. I think it was January, right? It was January. Everything was like, let me like January like this. January. Let me see here. February, January, and we're going to log out here. I changed something here, like this and like this. Because I think this is a huge problem in my app. So let's see. February, are we good? February, we are all paid. Let's start over. Yeah, everything's okay again. Something in the iOS side? I don't think so. So February, we are all good. Something in the iOS side could be. Let me see. Look, you saw it. You saw it. I find it. Did you see it? Did you see it? So iOS start changing all the bills. Not all the bills, but it seems like iOS is changing the February, the current month. But it's just when I logged in from iOS. Oh, that's crazy. Let me see if the bills are matching. Fine. If I log out from Android and log in again, let's see what we got. Look the mess. This is exactly what happened in production. this what happened. Let me take a look. Now let me see. Oh yeah. We are getting. I was like, come on, is that fix it? But I don't think so. Let me enter in the database again. How will we do this? Don't remember. I do not remember how to. I think it's post. It's physical into the price DB, and we are on select. So yeah, we don't have any more. We first of all we need to select all. Let me do this real quick. Select all from users. That's what I need. This is the first thing I need. And oh yeah. No, it's not what I need. Actually, it's not what I need. So let's get the hell out of here. Select from users where email equals to what? Come on, man. I hate it. Look at the keyboard. Where is this? Okay, very good. Email is equal to email. Nah, email is equal to. Let me take a. Email is equal to no art code apps at gmail.com. We got it. We're locked in. Let's go. So that's what I need. So select all from what? Payments, where user ID equals to this. Let me just do this real quick. Save. Let me copy this real quick because I will need this a bunch of time. Yeah, we don't. Yeah. Let me change this real quick because. Oh my God, it's already done. It's already messed up. Okay, have a bunch of bills here. So let's do again. Let me copy this entire thing. I'm gonna do the selection here. Actually. Count is this count? Okay, now we are talking. And then go back here. So delete everything that is. Oh my God. I hate this terminal. I truly hate this terminal. So let's go. 43 bills. 43 bills we had. So let's keep on going. So now I have 43 bills. So let me do this one more time. Log out and log in again. Let's see if this is going to mess up more things or whether or not we're going to have problems there. Okay. It seems like everything's good. If everything's good, still synchronized. No problem here. 43 bills. Maybe because if was assuming the right thing, this should not be it. Yes. So look, we are in the wrong. So not the right state. Let's see, car here is expired, didn't update it, or did it? I'm not sure. Let me change card, another value before we play around. I don't know, put some value here. Yes, so car has this value, is not sending to here. So they are not synchronized anymore because So we have 43. Oh, still 43. Same account, same amount. But I cannot count here, right? I cannot count how many payments we have. I'm not gonna do this. Or this is why that's why I shouldn't. I'm not gonna do this. What I was thinking is to count manually. I'm not gonna do this. Come on. Oh, let's try this. Let me log out here again. Let me change everything to paid. First of all, let me change everything to paid. Okay, let me change everything to paid, and we are good. So this should, and then I log out because the majority of the problems I'm thinking must be in the iOS side. I'm not sure anymore. So iOS 43 is still 43. Yes, always 43. Select user ID. Yes, select counts payments. So for some reason now our synchronization is all messed up, but we still have the same amount of bills. But I'm not sure how many bills do we have here. Let me. Oh my God, we have to. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34 we should have, and we have 43. We should have 34 bills. We have 43. So okay, so we have duplicate bills. How are we going to find this in the query? So duplicate bills must be in the same month. So let's start here. But how am I going? Yeah, I'm going to check which month 8 bill. Oh my God, you have a way to do it. So I have to check month by month. So I think February should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So February we should have 5 bills only. Well, let me first prepare my career here. How to comment things, and it's like this. How to comment stuff in like this, like this, like this. I think like this, right? So select. Let me do one stuff here. Select. First I have to do this. Select. From users. This is my local database. Must be running. Why? Why are you not running? Do we have some error here? Should I remove this? Okay. Can I have this? Yeah, now it's working for some reason. Okay, the ID, so select payments. All payments. Okay, let me select from payments where user ID equals to this. Okay. Now what I want is I want to select all payments update at due date. I want a payments at due date. Yeah. Let me see which one I want. I want a February, all February. But I cannot do it because the date, due date. Yeah, data. How to select dates. How to select dates. And Postgres. Postgres should have some. How to select dates between two dates. Postgres. Handling dates times like a hero. Let's go. Let's start time. Select timestamp equivalent. Oh, I can convert to date. Query specific date range. Can I use using cache operator? Can I use a cache operator? Let me see. Payments, due date. I don't know. I wanna just 31. I want to select this one. So select from payments where due date. It's just like this. Let me see. Equals to what? To 2026 31. Is this going to work? Yes, working. So I have one payment in this month, in this date. Yeah, I should have single payment there. But how I wanna just month. I want a date between, date range. Timestamp. Okay. Data range using between. Yeah. Okay, data range where select. Okay, we'll use this where. So select payments where due date. It's just like this. Where due date between date due date dot date insert between, and then I will use 2026 20 all dates all payments of February 2026 02 of the 1 between this and let me see how to use between and 2026, 2026. Can I use this? I don't believe so. I don't think so. Let's see. 02, 31. Do we have 31 days in February? I don't think so. It's 28. 28. I knew it. 28. Let me see if this is gonna work. So yes, 4 payments in the February. So yeah, that's exactly the query that I want. But I want payments. I want to count. I want the counts. Okay, count. I will count. Where? In. Look. Count. Oh. Count, man. You don't know how to type? Okay. I don't know how to spell it. I don't know how to spell it. That's how they say it. Because spell it seems like speaking, but it's spelling is like writing. That's what I got. And user ID is equal. Look, user ID is equal to this over here, because this is the guy that I want. Oh, this is my entire query. So where should we put it? Where? Yeah, where? Yeah, we'll keep in the same line. So yeah, 2020 this month. Count. Let's see if this is gonna work. 43, right? We should have. So, oh my God. Nothing's working. Serious? We lost the connection. Okay, 43. Let me copy this again. Are we copying everything? I hope so. So let's try it one more time. 15. So we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we duplicated 3 times, or 2 times duplicating, right? So we have 15 instead of 5. So February is the month where the bills are being duplicated. This is why they're looking weird. But the thing is, what? And then look, the synchronization is not working anymore. The reason why the synchronization doesn't work anymore is because they have different IDs, so I cannot update the same bill, the same payments. Oh my God, we did it. We freaking did it. We reproduced. Let me see if I can make more. What's going on? Log out. What? Why log out? It's not working anymore. Log out. Did you see it? Log out's not working. It's working here. Log out. Yeah. So log out didn't work here for some reason. Log out. Yeah. I'm having trouble with this app. So let's log in this one. So yeah, what is causing I think is this log in and log out again. But I'm not sure whether this is because, I'm not sure whether because I'm log in and log out using 2 different devices. So look, now we are good. Very good. Let me see if we have the same 15. So they apparently they are good here. Now they are connected. Synchronization's up and running. Let me log out and log in again from iOS just to make sure. Let's try less interaction. So we already have one bill electricity that is not syncing again, but let's see if these two are. Yeah, they're the same. They're the same. So the ones that are not quite yeah, they are not the same. This is why they don't sync anymore. Let me see if there has been more duplications. Isn't. Try again. So that happened one single moment. I think that happened when I logged out from iOS. Oh, we are good here. We are good. Everything seems good. Now at 15, yes, we keep going. We keep log out. Keep logging out. And log in again. Yeah, we have this problem for sure in the database. This is due synchronizations issues. Oh yeah, they are connected. Those bills are connected. Everything looks fine. Everything is working properly. It's always in the, I think what happened is always in the same month, like the current month. I don't think this happened in other month. Let's create more, another bill here. Check the cell phone. Yeah. We have another bill is I don't know. I don't know. Something like I don't know. Let me think. Stream services. I don't know how much you paid for stream services. 400 or something. Electricity stream services. Yeah, stream services I just select this month only and the next month. And they are good. But let me log out. Log in again. Stream is okay. This one is not working. This one seems okay. Let's log out from Android. I think that's just gonna be worse if I log in another device, such as the desktop. But yeah, again, desktop I will have to do so many stuff in order to 16. You saw. Oh yeah, it's okay. Okay, this is correct because I just created a new bill. I'm so excited. But yeah, we already found it. The reproduced the error. That's so good. This is good. Yeah, it's just a matter of time. Keep log in, log out. I think it's when I'm logged in. or 2 accounts are logged at the same time. So it seems like now every single bill is updated correctly. Yes. So let me see. Credit card. Oh, what's going on? Oh yeah, credit card. Yeah, credit card is okay. Okay, guys. That's it for today's session. We already find it. We find it. I found it. The I was able to reproduce the duplication bug. That's a huge bug. Now I have to understand what is causing this bug. What is the root cause? I have some hypothesis, which involves the way I make my login. I'm log out and log in again, and the server send connection that I have to be able to make this synchronization happen also could be causing this. Another hypothesis is that I have a bunch of devices in session, devices that I'm not deleting, and could be causing the problem, but I'm not sure. This is kind of weird. But every time we can see in the app, every time we are connecting, I keep a server send connection to the server. So every time you do this, all the events will be sent to all devices. So I have a for loop inside my database, my API, that will loop through all devices for that user, looking for devices that are connected so we can send the events. And when I have too many devices there, this could be causing this problem. It's because I have to do an entire for loop in a bunch of devices that are not even existing anymore. There are connections that are already lost. So yeah, maybe I have to run a deletion when you're logged out, but also I have to keep a kind of worker there, just checking if some period of time this device was logged in has some updated, so I can clean up devices that are no longer being used. That's it. Bye. I think that's it for now. I'm starving. Bye until the next.